How to update Roblox on iPhone or Android phone. Welcome to another Roblox Mobile tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Roblox app on your phone so that then you can get the newest features. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so updating Roblox on our iPhone or Android phone is actually really easy. And the first thing we need to do is just open up our respective app store. So on an Android phone, you want to open up the Google Play Store, and on an iPhone, you want to open up the App Store. Once your App Store opens up, simply search Roblox and then open up Roblox. If there's an update available, it'll say update, and all we need to do is simply select update. Then it will download and install the latest update of Roblox to our iPhone or Android phone. Once it's done installing, it'll then say open. We can select open, and the latest version of Roblox will open. Now, if for some reason after you've installed the latest version of Roblox, you're not getting the new features, what I recommend doing is closing Roblox, then restart your phone. So turn it off, then turn it back on, and then uninstall and reinstall Roblox. So on an iPhone, you would do this by simply finding Roblox, long pressing it, and then selecting remove app. On an Android phone, you would long press it and then drag it up to the top right where it says uninstall. Once you've uninstalled Roblox, go back to the App Store, search, and then open Roblox, and then install Roblox back on your phone, and you should have the latest version of Roblox with the new features. All right, so that's how you update the Roblox app on an iPhone or Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.